The market here in Seattle area, I feel costs too much for me. I'm slowly coming to terms with the idea of moving to begin investing in real estate. How'd you decide where to move slash relocate? That's a really good question, and I think you should. I'm really encouraged by the amount of people that are starting to take advantage of working remotely and moving to where the market, the whole economy is just more affordable. So I think the Midwest still has a lot to offer. And similar to Cosmic Wisdom, I think Dayton in particular has a lot of upside left. I mean, we still have about 10,000 vacant homes. A significant amount of those aren't so far gone that they need to be demolished. Some of them are, but not all 10,000. So of that, I mean, that's a pretty easy and pretty cheap way to getting started in real estate investing. But self-serving purposes aside, I think moving is really prudent. And I would say that the way I decided was not one that was real estate related, but I'm really thankful it worked out that way. My story, I'm not sure if you're familiar, is just the fact that I was in law enforcement. I was making about 44 grand a year. My wife was an assistant principal, and she made, more money than I did. And it was really important for us that she be a stay-at-home mom. So I kind of set out to learn how to make a lot more money really quickly. And what that ultimately led to was me taking a commission only job in selling life insurance. And since my wife and I had a newborn, it was really important for her that we move somewhere where she had friends, family, and just like a network in case she needed any help. So that limited our search when I was looking for like open territories for a particular company. I think we had like one spot in Kentucky or pretty much anywhere here in Ohio. So we decided to move to Dayton, Ohio. And then when I started looking at buying homes here, that's when I realized how affordable the market was. So inside of about 8 months of us living here, that's when I bought my first property. It was a duplex. When my wife was in college, she lived about 3 or 4 doors away from the duplex that we first purchased. So she was very familiar with the area. And just like that, slowly we just started buying more and more properties as I realized that there was nothing wrong with these properties. They were great places to live, being sold at a significant discount. So the first duplex that we purchased, we did so for 35,000, and it was rented for about $1,000 per month. The second property was completely renovated, and we bought it for 28,000. So that is one of our best investments, that $28,000 property. Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.